Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This video shares my personal experience with Wasabi Wallet. Wasabi Wallet, found at https://wasabiwallet.io, is a privacy-focused Bitcoin wallet that prioritizes anonymity and security. Its core functionality centers around CoinJoin, a privacy-enhancing technology that obscures the link between Bitcoin transactions, making it significantly more challenging to trace the origin and destination of funds. This helps protect user privacy and shields against blockchain analysis, which can potentially reveal sensitive financial information. Wasabi employs a specific implementation of CoinJoin known as Chaumian CoinJoin, a robust and well-regarded approach to mixing Bitcoin transactions. One of Wasabi's key strengths lies in its commitment to open-source development, allowing for independent audits and scrutiny of its code base. This transparency contributes to building trust and ensures that the wallet adheres to its stated privacy goals. Furthermore, Wasabi incorporates Tor integration by default, routing all network traffic through the Tor network. This adds another layer of anonymity, masking the user's IP address and location, making it harder to link transactions to a specific individual. While Wasabi prioritizes privacy, it's worth noting that it does come with a slight learning curve. Understanding the nuances of CoinJoin and its implications can take some time. However, for users who value their financial privacy and are willing to invest the effort, Wasabi offers a compelling solution for transacting Bitcoin discreetly and securely. The wallet is available for a range of operating systems, catering to a broad user base. Wasabi actively promotes best practices for enhancing Bitcoin privacy, providing users with valuable resources and information to maintain their financial confidentiality. Beyond its core features, Wasabi is continually evolving and adding new functionalities to strengthen its privacy protections and overall user experience. For anyone serious about Bitcoin privacy, exploring Wasabi Wallet is definitely a worthwhile endeavor. Remember to visit their website at https://wasabiwallet.io for more information and to download the wallet.